Hi everyone, I am N.R. Bhuvaneshwari, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to deliver a case study on application of PDE. Definition: a partial differential equation PDE is a differential equation that contains unknown multiple variable functions and partial derivatives. PDE are used to formulate problems involving functions of several variables and are either solved by hand or used to create a computer model. Application of PDE. It can be used to describe wide variety of phenomena, that is heat equation, diffusion equation, electrodynamics, fluid dynamics, elasticity, gravitation and quantum mechanics and so on. Now let us see a real life application using the concept of design thinking. Before that, let us know about design thinking. Yes, design thinking is a non-linear iterative process which seeks to understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems and creative innovative solutions to prototype and test. Here we have defined that 5 stages of design thinking. First step, empathize. Second one, define. Third step is ideate. Fourth step is the prototype. Fifth one is the test. Using the concept of design thinking, explain the suitable solution for the application problem is given below. The wave equation is an important second order linear partial differential equation for the descriptions of waves as they occur in classical physics, such as mechanical waves, etc., water waves, sound waves, and seismic waves or light waves. It arises in fields like acoustics, electromagnetics, and fluid dynamics. Using the concept of design thinking, we are going to solve the following problem is application wave breaking Burgers equation. Yes, the Burgers equation is dou u by dou t plus u into dou u by dou x is equal to v into dou square u by dou x square. Empathy. To understand the given problem, to be pretty sure that we use diffusion equation. Define. Diffusion equation and diffusion Burgers equations apply our methods to check stability for Euler's, leapfrog, upwide, lags. Diffusion equation is dou u by dou t is equal to dou by dou x of differentiation of dou u by dou x. Diffusive Burgers equation is dou u by dou t plus u into dou u by dou x is equal to v into dou square u by dou x square. Ideate. The wave equation is one space dimension can be written as follows. Dou square u by dou t square is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Diffusion equations. In the generalization, we go for prototype. Dou u by dou t is equal to f into u of x comma t. U comma x comma t comma dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square. Diffusion equation generalization, dou u by dou t is equal to f of u comma x comma t comma dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square, and this equation is fi power n of x comma u comma t comma dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square is the forward Euler, and backward Euler is u I power n plus 1 minus u I power n by del t is equal to fi power n plus 1 of u comma x comma t dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square is that backward Euler's. Then we use that Craig-Nicolson. ui power n plus 1 minus ui power n by del t is equal to 1 by 2 of fi power n plus 1 of u of x comma t comma dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square plus fi power n u comma x comma t dou u by dou x comma dou square u by dou x square. We use then Craig-Nicolson equation. Okay, now we come to the conclusion that probabilic diffusive PDE summary explicit Euler scheme is stable but with severe restrictions on time step. Doubling the spatial grid resolution requires reduction of time step by a factor 4 for explicit schemes. The implicit Crank-Nicholson scheme is unconditional stable. Implicit codes are more difficult to implement.